in. It's over now to Hormaz to highlight all the big movers, delivery action that took place yesterday. Hormaz?
Good morning, Rima. And of course, can't not talk about IT and the two big names, of course, that led the fall yesterday, both Infosys and TCS, together wiping out over 1 lakh crore in market cap. And both of those stocks all saw cumulatively trading worth close to 8,000 crore rupees in yesterday's session. The biggest single day fall for Infosys since July of 23, for TCS since March of 2020. Both of them had their highest volume since July of 2024. So fall plus on high volumes as well. Now, Infosys had close to 3 crore shares that were traded yesterday, 20-day average of around 74 lakh shares. TCS too had over 1 crore shares being traded, almost 3x of its 20-day average, which is close to 32 lakh shares. And on the delivery front as well, Infosys had almost 2/3 of those shares marked for delivery compared to a 20-day average of just over 40 lakh. And even for TCS, 66 lakh shares were marked for delivery here too, higher than the 3x of its 20-day average, which is close to 20 lakh shares. Now, stock that has been on the rebound is Gokaldas Exports. Another 20% upper circuit yesterday, second straight day of such a move for the stock. In fact, when the stock opened on Tuesday, the stock was up in 20% circuit and all 100% of the shares were marked for delivery that day. But in yesterday's session, the volumes were the highest in 3 months, close to 1.5 crore shares that were traded, 20-day average of just around 13.5 lakh shares. And here too, 30 lakh shares marked for delivery, 20-day average being just over 4.5 lakh shares. And from a 52-week low, the stock in a matter of 2 sessions has gone up to a 2-month high now. And lastly, a stock that should be on your radar today after the results from Qualcomm last night is Dixon Technologies. The stock was up for the 3rd straight day yesterday. This gained in 6 out of the last 7 trading sessions. Now this one too, the stock has rebounded from the January 27th lows of less than 10,000 rupees. It's up 17% since then. 4 out of the last 5 sessions has seen volumes in excess of 10 to 20 lakh shares. Yesterday, 15 lakh shares were traded, 20-day average of 8.5. And out of those 15 lakh shares, 4 lakh shares were marked for delivery. The 20-day average here being just around 2.5 lakh shares.
All right, Hormaz, thanks very much for that.